Hi, today we have to create a function that checks all the values in an array, and we have to check if they are below or equal to a limit value. Well, there is a built-in function to do this really quick, but let's start with a manual way. First of all, we need a counter. Let's start with 0. Of course, we have to iterate through the array. So for a number in array, let's print the number. These are the actual values. And what we have to do is to check if they are actually exceeding the limit. So if the number is more than the limit, counter should be increased with 1. And then at the end, we should return the following statement. The counter is equal to 0. If it actually is, it will return true. If it isn't, it will return false. And there we go. Let's check this out. Looks promising. And now we built a method that is far easier. What we can do is to use the built-in function max, like this. And that will return the biggest value in the array. Let's have a check. As you can see, let's have a look at the test cases. In the first test case, the biggest value would be 101. In the second array, the biggest value would be 117, like you see here, and so on and so forth. So with the use of this built-in function, we don't have to iterate through the whole array. We only have to use this function and of course, check the condition. So return the max of the array. And then we should check out, let's have a look, are below or equal to the limit value. So are below or equal to the limit value. There we go, test. And that works fine as well. I hope this video has been useful and I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao.